Hi, my name is Tahira and I'm a professional oriental dancer based in Poland. And this is TahiraBDD Dance Diary, where I invite you to dive with me into the world of oriental dance and all its complexities. Let's begin! Hi guys! For today I've prepared for you a special episode which will be all about exercise with one movement. And why I decided to do it like this? Because sometimes we are stuck while creating choreography. We want to make something special, something out of ordinary, but we cannot think of anything. So today's exercise will help with your creativity and will make you aware about how much you already know and how much vocabulary there is in your dance dictionary. And we will be working with a 30 seconds piece of choreography, so it will be a longer combination and it will be based only on one movement, and for today this movement is a hip circle. For the purpose of today's exercise, I've managed to come up with 14 different variations of a hip circle, and we will use all of them in our choreography for today. And I divided these variations into 3 general categories, and the first category is a basic hip circle, the second category is a big hip circle, and the third category is a hip circle which you will perform with your legs close to each other. In the first general category, which is a basic hip circle, I've put 6 different variations of this movement. And the first one is, of course, a basic hip circle. The second one is a half circle, which can also be performed with a step. The third one is a basic hip circle with walking. The fourth one is a basic hip circle with walking and with a turn. The fifth one is a hip circle with walking on your toes. And the sixth one is a hip circle with an accent in your heels. In the second general category, I've got for you 5 different variations. And the first one is, of course, a basic big hip circle. The second one is a big circle with a change in the tempo. The third one is a big hip circle with a change in the direction of your hips. The fourth one is a big hip circle with a change in the direction of your whole body. And the fifth one is a big hip circle, a really big one, with using your hair. In the third general category, I've put 3 different variations, and the first one is a circle performed with your legs closed. The second one is a circle performed with your legs closed, which you can use to finish the turn. And the third one is a hip circle with your legs closed with a change in the level of your body. Now you know all the variations which we will need today, and we will try to put them in one combination, and you will see that working with this combination and with a specific piece of music will actually look like a dance, not like a hip circles exercise. So let's do it. We start our combination with a circle to the left with a walking. So we've got one circle, and then we add a little jump to have a left leg free. So once again we have one and jump. In the beginning we also add an accent in our heels. So we've got accent, accent, jump. So we've got 3 elements. A hip circle with a walking, with an accent in the heels and a little jump. Once again. And 1, 2, hop. Then we go to a big circle to the left side. Finish it on the right, then change direction to the left, then go back to the right to finish all the circle. We've got right leg free, and we go with a half circle and half circle. Once again, we start with the 2 accents. So we've got 1, 2, jump, big circle, right, left, right, and finish, and half circle and half circle. And this first part is really connected with the music, so it's a little bit difficult to count. And I think you will catch it with no problem while we'll be working with our music. But for now, let's try it once again slowly. We go 1, 2, jump, big circle to the right, to the left, right, and half. To the right, we start with the same movement. So we've got a hip circle with walking and with the double accent and this little jump. So we've got 1, 2, jump, then we go to the big circle, but this time we finish the big circle and we go with our hair, we go up, and we've got right leg free, and we go with a turn. 1, 2, and finish with a circle and a left leg in the position. One more time. We've got right leg free, and we go doom, doom, jump, a big circle with the hair, we go up and in a turn, and finish with a circle. So let's try to do both sides. So we start with the left leg, and we've got accent, accent, jump, big circle, right, left, finish, and half, and accent, accent, jump, big circle with her, and a turn, finish with a circle. Now we've got 2 times circle with walking and with the change in a direction. So we got 1 circle, change, 1 circle, change, but we go to the back. And we can also add in the beginning of the circle this double accent. So we may have 1, 2, change, 1, 2, change. Let's try it once again. So we've got double accent change, double accent change, and here where we are facing back, we change the leg, so we stand on the left leg, the right leg is free, and we go with half of a big circle, and now we use the circle with the change of direction. So we've got half of a big circle, and we change the direction on our body, and go once again with the half, but then we close the leg, we go up with the circle with closed legs to our toes, and it will be a fast one. Let's try it slowly once again. We start with the double accent circles and the change of direction. And 1, 2, change, 1, 2, change, step, and half of a big circle, change of the direction, half of a big circle, close the legs, and go up with a circle. And now when we are up, we go with the circles on our toes, starting with our left leg, which we will leave behind us. So we go 1 and 2, and then we go 1 regular, and then we go in a big circle. Once again, we finish with a quick circle up, and these 2 circles on the toes will also be quick ones. So we've got 1 and 2, and regular 1, and a big one. There will be a change in the tempo, so we start slowly and then finish quick. And then we've got right leg free. We go with a turn, finish on the right. Left leg is free, and we go with a half of a big circle, and to the other side, half of a big circle, and then we go back to make a pose. So let's try it once again from the double circle with a change of the direction slowly. So with accent change, accent change, step, and half, change of the direction, half, close, change of the level, and quick, quick, regular, slowly, quick, and right, turn, and then half, and half, and pause. Let's try it one more time from the beginning, slowly, step by step. So we start with a double accent, and 1, 2, jump, big circle, to the right, to the left, go back, and half, and 1, 2, jump, big circle with your hair, and turn, finish with a circle, and we go 1, 2, change, 1, 2, change, a step, half circle, change of direction, half circle, close the legs, go up, and 1 and 2, regular one, and a big one slowly, then faster, and turn, and a half circle, half, and a pose. And now we will try it with the music several times, so you will hear the melody, because we're working a lot of melody in the beginning of the combination, and you will also hear the tempo. So maybe you can watch the first time, and then you can try together with me dance this whole 30 seconds piece. I hope you enjoyed this creative exercise, and I recommend you to work like this with other movements in Oriental dance, because all of them have their variations which you can use to create something really special. And if you like this episode, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with the new episodes of Tahira Belly Dance Diary. And I encourage you also to follow my social media accounts, my Facebook account and my Instagram account, where I share a lot of content connected with my daily belly dance life. And if you are up to a full instructional choreography video, just follow the link in the description below the video. I hope to see you here next week for the next episode of Tahira Belly Dance Diary. And since we've already worked with a ballet piece today, I decided to share with you a couple of interesting and important facts about the ballet dance. See you next week. Bye!